Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to log in Spotify using Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. First of all, you have to open your Spotify on your PC, and after that you have to click on login. And one more thing, you can log in into your Spotify account with Facebook only then when you have created your Spotify account with your Facebook. Okay, after that click on continue with Facebook and click on continue to the app. Authentication complete. Now go back to Spotify, and here we can see I have logged in with my Facebook profile. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.